From flower to bottle.
Speed, purity, perfection. Welcome to Mega Maker Hub. Let's dive into the factory. It begins in the heart of nature, nurtured by the sun and soil.
Nature's little workers help them grow.
Flowers turn into seed pods over time. Ripened and dried by the sun. Harvested with care by local farmers. Precision in every cut. Threshing releases the hidden seeds. The wind cleans the harvest.
The raw gold is ready.
Packed for the journey ahead.
Sealed tight for freshness.
Loading up for the factory. From the village to the Mega Hub.
Welcome to the Mega Maker Hub.
Every shipment is weighed precisely.
Sampling for quality control. Unloading into the intake pit. The automation begins here. Lifting seeds to the top floor. The cleaning section ensures purity. Removing dust and stalks. Stones are removed automatically.
Magnets catch any metal parts.
Air aspiration cleans the rest. Now, 100% clean and ready. Conditioning prepares them for pressing.
Perfect moisture is key.
Feeding the beast. The heart of the factory, the expellers. High-pressure crushing begins. Pressing out every drop. The first glimpse of liquid gold.
Gravity collects the oil. Known as kachi ghani.
The waste is separated as cake. Used for cattle feed later.
Monitoring the temperature.
A river of gold flows here. Solids settle at the bottom.
Pumping to the filter press.
The massive filter press.
Trapping the tiniest impurities.
Look at that clarity.
From cloudy to crystal clear.
Stored in hygienic steel tanks. It starts with a small preform. Blown into shape instantly. Ready to be filled.
High-speed filling lines.
Precision filling. Zero waste.
Sealed to lock the flavor. Applying the brand identity.
Coating for safety tracking.
Automatic quality inspection. Robotic packing for speed.
Sealed for shipping.
Strapped and secure. Building the pallet stack.
Moving to the loading dock.
Heading out to the market.
Now available near you.
100% pure and authentic.
Trusted by millions.
Affordable and healthy. Let's cook something special.
The richness of gold.
Heat it until it smokes.
The aroma fills the air.
Essential for marination.
The soul of Bengali cuisine.
Bringing families together.
Mega Maker Hub. It's the maker of purity.
Subscribe for more factory tours.